front of me is Oukitel WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by tapping on Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!